Got enough or too much energy from Taiwan street food? Let's roll out! Lots of souvenirs are here. Recommend you to go and buy gifts if you have time. 자, 오늘의 버스입니다.
야, 이거 그거네. 어제 봤던 거 그거네.
근데 여기서 Today's our first destination is Yehliu. Takes about 1.5 hours from Simengonglo by bus.
우리나라가 타고 비싸잖아요.
그러게.
이 길은 울진에서 3천 넘어가는 길하고 비슷하다.
독도다, 독도. Its jagged peaks pierced the heavens, reaching towards a sky that was a masterpiece of contrast. 지금도 그렇고.
간포.
The guide is briefing in two languages, English and Chinese. How Lehigh.
아 여기네 저기. 이거 인터넷에 저기 올 텐데.
Wind and water erosion activity had left its indelible mark, reading the dark, craggy surfaces with lots of holes.
아 근데 확실히 좀 미일적이긴 하다.
우리나라에 대단하지.
In a land sculpted by the whispers of wind and the patient hand of time, stood an extraordinary landscape of mushroom-shaped rocks. Forces of nature had sculpted the very landscape into a living artwork, lay a collection of rocks that uncannily mimic the appearance of jungle vines.
이게 화석이잖아.
Green crabs, their carapaces the color of deep sea kelp, scuttled with a purposeful grace, but it was their legs that truly caught the eye. A vibrant, almost shocking yellow, a stark contrast to their muted bodies. As you navigate this rocky gallery, the sound of the sea wave is a constant enveloping presence. Sometimes a particularly large wave will send a booming echo ricocheting off the rock formations, a deep resonance that seems to shake the very air.
그러니까 천진데 뭐. 이거네.
그러네. 예전엔 이렇게 깨끗했는데 이게 예전 모습이고 이게 지금 쓰레기 더미가 된 예전 모습, 지금 모습.
머리 봐.
옆머리처럼 생겼네 저거는.
Passing through mushroom laka-like rocks, they rose around us like sentinels, silent and colossal. The sheer scale of them was humbling. We were dwarfed by these geological titans. Passing through these giants, finally the dragon head reveals itself.
거기서 보면 용머리가 좀 보이네.
어.
아주 멋지다.
Stepping into this desolate expanse felt like crossing the threshold of the worlds. Or before us lay a panorama of yellow sand rocks that looked as if they had been plucked directly from the surface of Mars. The dominant color was striking, dusty yellow, ranging from pale,
거북이 두껍지. 이거라고 이거 사이였다. 그럼 이거 나오고.
항상 낚시 생각.
A thousand years for us is but a blink for them. They were the marks of erosion, perhaps a slow, imperceptible change across millennia. This rock is another Queen's Head or Half-Earth, but in my eyes it's more look like the evil dragon from the D-War movie. Leaving the flatlands, the bus gradually begins its climb, and you can feel the subtle shift in the engine's hum as it tackles the incline. The bus, a sturdy workhorse, navigates the sharp turns and hairpins with a confident sway.
오 이거 뭐야? 오 마이 갓! 딱 버스 내리자마자.
From the entrance of the street, I can see lots of shops are selling street foods and also give you something for free to taste them.
4시 25분까지 세븐일레븐.
And due to lots of tourists are coming from Korea, a lot of restaurants have menu written in Korean.
탕. 이거 이름 뭐더라?
냄새 대박이다. 냄새. 세토시기로도 가미타쿠시 사왔습니다.
If you want to find this place, you have to find Ameichalo first. And nearby this landmark, you will see the statue transporting massive amounts of gold. This is because Japan's history is deeply intertwined with gold mining, particularly during the Japanese colonial period. This historical place was destroyed few times by typhoons. After this place was donated to county, the theater regularly showcases movies, Taiwanese operas, etc.
공짜 아니다. 10원.
The wooden stick will show you which drawer you have to open. And then there is a paper written about my future in the drawer.
뭘? 말하는지 모르겠다.
그러니까. 또 이거 주고 가서. 소롱포.
혼준.
그건 뭐야? 만두?
국물에 담궈 먹는 건 혼준. 국물이 안에 들어가는 거는 소름포. 이 정도 안돼. 얘들아 있다.
The Jiufen Shifen Temple is a breathtaking example of traditional Taiwanese temple architecture, a true testament to the artistry and devotion of its creators. The Sanchuan Gate immediately captivates with the powerful portraits of the door gods, Jinshubao and Yunjigong, whose majestic presence guards the entrance. Like many traditional temples in Taiwan, you will find an incense burner.
대박이다.
The side walls come alive with mosaic-like cut and placed porcelains, an exquisite form of traditional folk art. Its beauty lies not just in grand structure, but in the intricate details that adorn every surface, telling stories and invoking spiritual reverence.
치두 냄새 안 나나? 치두 냄새 난다고?
식초 냄새.
좀 있으면 치두 되겠다. 좀 더 그러면.
That strikes you is the sheer density of humanity. Cutting right through the heart of the bustling market is the old railroad. Amidst the bustling crowds, families and friends gather around large, colorful paper balloons. Markers in hand, they carefully inscribe their wishes, hopes, and dreams onto the delicate paper. Prayers for health, prosperity, love, or good fortune. Each stroke a personal whisper to sky. But whatever you do, the main thing is to eat.
네, 수고하세요.
네.
더 샀나?
응? 뭐? 한 개 55.
Cold ice is shoots through my teeth with coldness.
買西門町啊？
應該係咧，你同佢講咗噶嘛，係咪啊？
咁即係去完正攞就去西門町啦。
오늘 또라니.
탄광이었나?
Bridge is 128 meters in length.
이렇게 열대 대나무 같이 생겼네요.
네팔이 이거 상당히 크네?
그러니까 우리나라처럼 날파지가 않고. 그렇지 않았단 말이야.
이제 이게 커지는 거잖아.
그래?
오케이.
여름에 저 안에 튜브 치면 완전 죽이겠다.
유산을 훼손했는데?
사람들이 하도 많이 호흡 안 돼.
Didn't expect the goldfishes are in this mountain. Being fed well by the tourists, but maybe get too much food in the water is too blurry. Need my eyes to be cleansed with something clean. Shifen Waterfall, often dubbed the Niagara of Taiwan, is a breathtaking natural wonder that captivates visitors with its majestic beauty. Located in the Pingxi district of New Taipei City, it's a testament to the raw power and artistry of nature. It's truly Taiwan's widest waterfall, spanning an impressive 40 meters, giving it a distinct horseshoe shape reminiscent of its North American counterpart. Through lush greenery, the waterfall reveals itself, a wide, curtain-like cascade of white water plunging dramatically over a 20-meter cliff into a deep crystal-clear pool below. Dipping your hands into a small stream on a warm day is an instant jolt to the senses. The initial shock of coldness is sharp, almost startling, as the water, often fed by underground springs or recent rain, wraps around your skin. The sheer volume of water creates a constant mist that hangs in the air, refreshing your skin and painting the scene with an ethereal glow. Symphony of sights and sounds that truly showcases the splendor of Taiwan's natural environment. Walking through the forest leading to Shifen Waterfall is an experience that blends the serene with the subtly dramatic, a perfect preamble to the thunderous cascade itself. The air immediately feels different here, cooler, damper, and infused with earthly scents of damp soil and lush vegetation. The predominant color is a vibrant green, countless shades from the almost neon glow of new ferns unfurling to the deep, shadowed greens of ancient broad-leafed trees. The soundscape is dominated by the gentle rustling of leaves in the breeze, the distant murmur of the Yehliu River, and the chirping of unseen birds.
대박이다.
거기에는 지금 성들 되게 들었다는데.
How is his temper? I heard that.
Sometimes it's not that good.
Easily got angry, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But he's too young now, 3 months.
3 months.
So I'm not that angry yet.
How big will he be if he fully grown up? How big will he be? 30 centimeter. I see he is already like 20 centimeter.
Yeah.
Standing up, but it's like when the normal grow up,
Oh.
will be like this height.
가야겠다. Okay, have a nice day. 셰프. 이래 타야 되는구나.